Here's introducing India's fast-growing infrastructure company in terms of size, execution and quality. The conglomerate that has been featured in the Asia Book of Records, India Book of Records and Limca Book of Records for the fastest execution of various projects across the world. This organization believes that when you make a difference to a community, you will be recognized as a responsible corporate citizen. When you make a difference to a country, you stand out as a legend. But when what you do impacts the world, you create the identity of an icon. This is the story of an organization that started in 1989 as a small fabrication unit in Hyderabad, India, and grew by leaps and bounds to emerge as one of the world's most vibrant and dynamic force in the infrastructure sector. Megha Engineering and Infrastructures Limited, MEIL. The team has upheld the highest standards of excellence across all infra verticals and has always been committed to providing a superior quality of life to the common man. In a world built on the blocks of quality infrastructure, MEIL has often been the force that powered many possibilities. In a world trying to race ahead of the clock, MEIL held strongly to its commitments and values. In a world that puts revenues before everything, MEIL prioritizes safety and quality above short-term gains. At every stage, MEIL has reiterated its core philosophy towards social and environmental responsibilities to improve the quality of life of every citizen. In the new millennium, MEIL forayed into a wide range of core verticals: water management. MEIL has engaged teams in more than 10 Indian states to quench the thirst of tens of lakhs of citizens. Taken up 5 water supply projects on annuity basis. Various schemes in the Mission Bhagiratha scheme executed and commissioned by MEIL and providing water supply to lakhs of households. Irrigation. World's biggest pump house inaugurated, constructed by MEIL. This pump house is the home to Bahubali motors with massive power capacity of 139 megawatts each. Only company to successfully complete 5 interlinking river projects in India. Pattisima project integrates Godavari and Krishna, the 2 longest rivers of South India. Power. Thousands of kilometers of transmission lines, conductors and OPGW are commissioned. Thousands of transformers, energy meters, LT poles are supplied. Hundreds of EHV substations and towers are commissioned or erected. Nearly 2,000 villages provided with 24/7 power supply. Over 30 lakh people are given power supply. 3 45 megawatt hydel power units commissioned in Gujarat. Power generation and energy solution project commissioned in Jordan. More than 19,000 MVA or 16,000 kilowatt power capacities are installed. Hydrocarbons. 3 400 kilowatt gas insulated substations commissioned. Were followed up by strategic investments in oil and gas drilling, electronic vehicles and defense manufacturing sectors. Executed gas distribution projects in rural areas of Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. now poised to supply piped cooking gas to all households in 10 districts of Telangana. Megha Gas. It's smart, it's good. To invest $100 million in Gujarat and Assam in the next 2 years on 2 mega offshore oil fields. 600 kilometers of roads are built across India. Meil's diversification into transportation and airways. TrueJet, the regional airline owned by Meil, flew over 1.3 million passengers in 2017-2018. Acquired Electra Green Tech, which is in technical collaboration with BYD China, has already supplied 108 electric buses pan-India. In addition to these achievements, Meil's record in industrial infrastructure and buildings is equally impressive. Constructed hospitals, school buildings and office spaces. About 1,000 2 BHK houses being constructed. With operations spread across more than 15 Indian states and in distant parts of the globe, this infrastructure behemoth has successfully executed projects that have reset industry parameters. In regions of absolute darkness in Karnataka, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat, Meil has filled with rays of hope. In the hydrocarbon space, Meil has vitalized the energy sector by acquiring execution experience which covers civil, mechanical, electrical and instrumentation domains with the scope of design, engineering, procurement, construction management, pre-commissioning and commissioning activities. Meil's transportation division has reduced travel time and facilitated smooth and faster journeys for lakhs of commuters across the length and breadth of the country. Meil has also capitalized its project management expertise in the areas of drinking water, hydrocarbons and healthcare infrastructure in several countries like Bangladesh, Zambia, Tanzania and the Gulf region. By executing landmark projects in some of the most challenging terrains of the globe, Meil has been the recipient of several awards and accolades. As a backward integration move, Meil has established strong network of units to manufacture GRP pipes, spiral welded pipes, HDPE pipes, a 3-layer polyethylene coating facility, and pressure vessel division with world-class fabricating facilities. Meil is an organization with strong fundamentals and sturdy foundations. It marches ahead with a vision to transform bleak and barren deserts into dream-filled pastures and provide quality infrastructure that will benefit future generations and employee safety. Meil